Good evening. With just days to go to the start of the World Indoor Championships in Birmingham, England, I want to send out a warning to Jamaica's track and field loving fans. I'm not sure how many were actually paying attention to the names announced in Jamaica's 30-member team to the championships, but I know that once the championships begin, expectations will be high as usual. Now, the nation's athletics fans have been spoiled by the performances of our athletes ever since 2008, with the exception of last year's World Championships, where Jamaica had its lowest medal haul in 30 years. And even though this is the indoor championships, I do know that once the competition gets underway, fans will be expecting the usual excellence from Jamaica. But I'd caution fans to temper their expectations from now, especially with the recent withdrawal of Olympic champion Omar McLeod. Remember, McLeod is the only gold medalist from the championships 2 years ago and was the only one who caused the nation's national anthem to be played at the World Championships last year. Another one of the medalists, Asafa Powell, who won silver 2 years ago, is not part of this year's team either. In fact, the only medalist from the last edition who will be heading to this year's World Indoor Championships is Elaine Thompson, who won bronze in the 60 meters. Add to that the non-selection of Akeem Bloomfield, the third fastest man over 400 meters in the world this year indoors, and you understand that the nation won't necessarily be sending its strongest team. And I know the hysterics already started, talking about the decline of the nation's athletics based on what happened at the World Championships last year. But please, temper your expectations when watching next month's World Indoors, and reserve the talk of doom and gloom for when it's actually needed. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.